What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got something in the mail. Let's check it out. Hi, welcome back to the channel, guys. Thank you for joining me. So I got a little something in from DB Hobby. So I hit up DB a couple weeks ago and got some new tires that I wanted to try out. So of course we need to get some custom inserts made. And I've been hearing a lot of good things about his products, so I wanted to check them out. So I hit him up, told him what tires I planned on using, and one of the sets of tires he already had lots of inserts, lots of options made for, and then something a little special we'll talk about here in a second. And then the other set of tires were brand new, the new Reefs Cheater tire, and he wasn't able to get his hands on a set just yet, so I sent him my set that I had just got, and he measured them up and got a full fit on them, got them nice and perfect, and I'm excited to open these up and check them out. So let's see. So these here, we'll open these first. So we got, these are for the cheaters, for the Reef RC cheaters. So 2 are super soft and 2 are soft. I don't know about you guys, but I like to run a little stiffer in the rear anyway, so don't necessarily need the same stiff on all 4 corners. The front may be heavier and I need a little bit stiffer up front than I do in the rear. And you don't want the rear to be too stiff, and you don't want the front to be not stiff enough. So let's see, that is a soft. Super soft. Super soft. And soft. Alright. So shout out DB Hobby. Appreciate you, bud. I know he's trying to get these out to me as soon as he possibly could. And him and the whole family come down sick. But he worked through it for me, and I appreciate you, bud. These feel really nice. So when I was talking to him, you know, a lot of people prefer a lot of squish. I don't really like a whole lot of squish. I'm more concerned about the sidewall performance. And when talking with him, you know, that's what he was asking me, and what I explained to him, that I would prefer better side healing than the squish over the top of the rocks. And so far these feel really nice. Okay, so you can tell just a little bit of difference. Should be good though. I'd run the softs in the front and the super softs in the rear more than likely. Most of my rigs are pretty heavy up front. And these feel really good. I'll be throwing these in some wheels shortly. Let's check out these others. So these are for the Endura XHX pin tire. Which he had worked with before, and he already offered a soft and super soft. But what I'm excited to check out is a couple of these. As you can see, he sent me 6. A couple of these are a new design for him. These are a test set. These aren't available just yet, so I'm gonna test them out for him and see how good they are. But these are the new Ubber Soft. Ubber Soft. Yeah, these feel nice. Those are going to feel real good. So here's a matter of fact, let's just grab one here. So this is the Endura XHX pin. In the area that I compete in, we run under CrawlerPalooza rules, and under 2025 CrawlerPalooza rules, pin tires are not illegal. So this will be my first experience with pin tires. I've never ran a set before at all. Let's put this Ubber Soft in here and see how it feels. I can tell already it's a good fit. when you gotta go through and work the plastic around, you know it's a good fit. Oh yeah. This Endura tire is very interesting. It's the S5 compound, I believe, and it feels really good. It's real soft, real sticky feeling, and I haven't even washed them yet, and they stick to each other like nothing. Like one tire almost pick up the other three. Straight out of the package. Man, those feel really good. I think those are going to work out. Alright, I'm excited about those. Let's see. I got one of the new Reef Cheater. And as you can tell just by looking at it, it's a completely different compound than the Endura. It feels a little bit stiffer, which might work better in my area. Not quite as sticky, but I haven't washed these either. Straight out of the package. Let's see what a DB insert feels like. Big foam reef. Put one of these super softs in here. Alright. Those are going to feel great when they get a rim in it. They feel nice and solid right here on the sidewall. But still got plenty of squish. Man, these tires feel really good. Reefs did a really good job, I think. Just by filling the compound from knowing other crawler type compounds. These feel really good. And then the Enduras, they intrigue me. So we're going to do a tire comparison. We'll see how good they do, both running custom DB inserts. Be throwing both of them on a set of shift wheels, and we'll throw them on some rigs and go head to head. So appreciate you, DB, for working so hard getting those inserts to me as fast as you could. I know you didn't want to sacrifice quality for time. I appreciate you putting in the research and the time it takes to make quality products. I'm excited to get these on the rig. Thank you guys for joining me. Stay tuned. We're about to lace these up on some rims, and then we'll get out on some rocks with them. So thank you for joining me. If you liked the video, hit that like, hit that subscribe, and hope to see you on another one. Later, guys.